In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money on to Kraken Pro app. To add money to your Kraken Pro app account via the app, navigate to the portfolio section at the bottom right, and then tap deposit right in front of your screen on the left. And then what you're gonna do, choose the currency you wish to deposit, right? If you deal with US dollars, just go ahead and hit the US dollar. If you're in Europe and you deal with euros, just go ahead and select euros by just searching right here at the top. Okay, and in my case, I'm gonna use the US dollars, right? And Kraken won't take the money automatically from your bank. They will give you their bank details and then confirm that you deposited the money with this bank with the bank details given by Kraken. So I'm gonna hit I understand. Of course, select your own account, or if you have a joint account, you can use the second option. Right? And as you can see, based on the Kraken's bank details, you gotta copy it so you can transfer the money from your bank to their bank, and afterwards you gotta just hit I made the deposit. Okay, and they will check with if they will check to confirm that you deposited the money or transferred the money from your bank to the bank in question. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.